Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Then we are going to start a new video. Please watch the full video, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. How to make a designing shape on pixel lab easily. Open a pixel lab, select a shape, remove the background color, adjust the shape, duplicate the shape, change the color of shape, select another shape, select the perspective, select the opacity, effect shadow enable button down, duplicate the sticker, then select the draw, adjust the line of dash, duplicate the sticker, change the background color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.